Hello, everyone. My name is Brenda, and for years, I felt trapped inside my own body. No matter what I did, I was constantly tired, craving sugar, and struggling with my weight. Every afternoon, my energy would crash. I'd lose focus, feel irritated, and reach for something sweet just to get through the day. It wasn't just about willpower. It felt like my metabolism was broken. I tried diets, medications, and even giving up my favorite foods. Nothing really worked long-term. That's when I came across GlycoQ, and honestly, I was skeptical at first. But what caught my attention was that it wasn't just another quick fix. GlycoQ uses a powerful blend of natural ingredients like berberine extract, white mulberry leaf, cinnamon, and chromium, all proven to help regulate blood sugar and restore metabolic balance. Within just a few weeks, I noticed real changes. My sugar cravings started to fade. I could go through an entire day without that heavy, exhausted feeling. My focus improved, my energy stabilized, and the stubborn weight that used to cling to me started to melt away naturally. For the first time in years, I felt like my body and mind were finally in sync again. If you've been feeling stuck like I was, tired, frustrated, and ready for a change, GlycoQ can help you regain balance and energy naturally. It's made in the USA in an FDA-registered and GMP certified facility, which means it's safe, pure, and high quality. And the best part? It comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. Just make sure you get it from the official website, because there are fake copies being sold online. You'll find the link in the description and in the first pinned comment. Start your journey back to balance and vitality today with GlycoQ.